Okay chaps, I've just started to assemble the track for the bandsaw mill. Just got some bits of angle iron and some box section which I've cut to fit. Yeah, I'm using 3x2 angle iron and 3x2 box section, bolted together with 10mm nuts and bolts. Well, somehow I managed to get the track into the workshop and managed to get the sawmill mounted on it. Just gonna square everything up now and see how it goes, but it appears to run pretty easily now. But I can't move it far because it hits the side of the bench and everything else, so it's a bit of a squeeze in here, but at least I should be able to get the log restraints and dogs, whatever you call them, into position now and see what the clearances are. I've got a water carrier rigged up now with a pipe leading down to the blade cooling. It could be adjusted to drip onto the blade as required. All the bandsaw has been painted now. I've got the track all built. I'm not going to paint that, it's a bit too much. Awful finish I got on the paint, I'm afraid, but that's the way it is. It's green hammerite, smooth it's supposed to be, but not very when you put it on with a brush. Much better when you put it on with a spray, like I've done with these couple of log clamps. I saw someone's idea on the web about using a cam, so that's what I've gone for. These are the log stops. Got a couple of those just to stop the log, bolt across the track. And then with the log clamp, the idea is to slide it across using these sliding bars, and then use the cam to lock it in, that final bit. So actually that one goes on the other side. They sit in there, something like that, across the track, and then slide in and clamp. We'll see how they go. Made up 10 of these adjustable feet using some plate flanges. Had to modify the thread, it's M16 studding, and they're going to be adjustable. I'll probably have to trim them off to the height required when we get it all installed in the woodland. Okay, the next video should be all installed, engine in and running, we hope.